Welcome to this month's video series on magnet software products. I'm Paul Carlson, Director of Software Sales for Topcon Positioning, focused on the magnet office and field product suites. We recently done a webinar on magnet version 7, updates, enhancements, feature improvements. What I want to look at is one of the features that was added to magnet field, or at least enhanced in magnet field, that I think can be a pretty helpful tool for those working in the field and doing calculations. Looking at the map view, what I want to do is, looking at points 136, 37, and 38, I want to do a curve calculation, and I want to see where that radius point falls based on the 3 points given. So from the main screen, we're going to go to Calculate, and we're going to tell it to calculate curves. Now, what I'm interested in here is a 3-point curve. So we're going to tell it simply to go from points 136, 137, and 138. I could change the input. So for example, I could give it the radius point if known, but what I have is simply the PC, a point on the curve, and the radius point. I'm going to tell it to calculate that, and I get my report. I can save the radius point, which I'll do by simply clicking the save icon. If I wanted, the report could be exported to a text file, and I want to see what this looks like visually. Now, this is what we're typically used to seeing for that 3-point curve. Here's 136, 137, 38, and here's the point of the radius that was calculated based on those 3. Now, that's great for showing me what this curve looks like, but it doesn't help me in seeing how this relates to the rest of my data or the rest of the job. So one of the things that was improved in version 7 are the options to not only see the results in this drawing, but to view this data on the map. So I can see my entire job file and see how this curve that I calculated relates to everything else in my file, including where this radius point falls. Keep an eye out next month for more tips and tricks and helpful pieces of information related to magnet version 7, maybe in the office or maybe in the field. I hope you found this short overview of this function helpful and is something that you'll use in the field yourself.